The Thornton Elementary Tigers have a new school building for the first time since 1956. That was the year the original Thornton opened in East Arlington. But the original school was torn down in 2021 to make way for a new building. And now the new Thornton Elementary is open. The new school is a state-of-the-art, two-story, 105,000 square foot facility. The school features pods with 5 classrooms for each grade, pre-K through 6th grade, a beautiful media center, fine arts classrooms, STEM labs, collaboration spaces, outdoor learning areas, 2 playgrounds, and much more. The new school also preserves the legacy of the original Thornton Elementary. Colors in the building reflect the strong influence of Hispanic culture on the school. And outside, the 2 huge oak trees that have watched over Thornton students and teachers for decades still stand at the entrance. Thornton is one of 4 school replacements funded by the 2019 bond voters, an effort to modernize the district's schools and revitalize their neighborhoods. It's all about providing generations of students with the opportunities they need to succeed in the 21st century. In addition to Thornton, Webb and Berry Elementary Schools and Carter Junior High are also being replaced through the 2019 bond. Thank you to the Arlington community for empowering these students by supporting the 2019 bond and making this beautiful school a reality.